Can you please repeat it? 1, 2, 3, go. That's funny. It's fine.
If I took a bath, then you would get me 3
You like? Okay. Can you please just get 2? But you get to choose all your snacks for school. Ate is tired, so she's taking a rest here. And she'll just wait and Hannah will go with me. Akala ko, you thought that the snow is gone already. Nakakalimutan. Tapos, it will go back. It's already February 9. So, I think this will be gone really on March and April. Be. Hannah Rose! Hey, that's so cute. I'll take a video of you. Can I see? Wow, where are you going? Oh, beach. She's ready for beach, but... Hannah! Grabe. Ito yung these are the Japanese grocery. Yan. It's affordable. Usually this is 600. That's why I just got it. Okay. These are the freebie. Diba nakakatuwa? Libre lang ito. Dahil sa pagbubuntis ko sa baby. Ito yung cherry. Kinuha ko na yan. Kasi every month, once a month lang. It's just once a month. But ano lang, $120. O pwede na, diba? Libre. Gamitin mo na. Kasi, but this one is not. Hindi siya libre, be. It's not, I bought this. Nag-over lang ako dito nag-over lang ako dyan. Next time, hindi na. Because I'm craving for this. This is not, I bought this. Etong, natin, magtatakos tayo. Nachos tayo. Nachos pa, tacos pala. And then, this beef. Ako na to, be. So, I just got it too. So, para sa baby. Because it's healthy. Have a great day, everyone. I love you. Take care. Have a great week.
And these are good.
Let's trying it. Let's enjoy.
Don't eat the seeds.
And it's good when you have your own tree, right? Of cherries and then apples. You'll just pick it. It's free for the whole year. It's fun, be. Eat. Enjoy lunch. Can I see your lunch, Hannah? Enjoy. Move natin. Ano to be? Hot sauce. I'll just remove the other one. Wait. Okay. Ayan, soft taco. Let's try this be. I'll put hot sauce pala. It's the beef, the tomato, onion, and lettuce, the cheese, and sour cream. Let's try. Try it. It's a...
Don't tell me.
No, just joking. Ano?
Make the service today and see them in Sunday school. Here's your charge of ribs.
Okay, it's so funny.
Turn it off.
Ito na be, yung pinamili natin. I just didn't got Nutella.
My vegetable slice.
Alam be, natatawa ako kapag ganito. This is funny. I thought it's really done already. February 9. February 9 before Valentine's Day. Diba? Yung tipong akala mo tapos na. The last time, diba? Yung parang night, yung may chopstick tsaka yung cup na binili na gabi. Ang cute ng dog nila. Ay, mayroon pala silang brand dog. Akala ko yung big. Dalawa pala dog nila, be. Yun yung sa kapitbahay na. Miss ko na tuloy yung dalawang dog. Nandun sa uncle niya, sa Tana. Sa US. Anong tawag doon? Akala ko, you thought that the snow is gone already. Dapat kasi nag-i-English nga. Kasi nga yung mga kaibigan nating nag-i-English. Ay, ko nakakalimutan. Tapos, it will go back. It's already February 9. So, I think this will be gone really on March and April, be. But it's okay. Let's just enjoy while there's still snow. Pero hindi siya masyadong madami, no? It's not so many. Okay. Hi, Hannah Rose! Ay, that's so cute! I'll take a video of you. Can I see? Wow, where are you going? Oh, beach. She's ready for beach, but there's still snow. Because it's still winter. I thought there's no more snow, but there's still snow. So funny. Ayun, be, oh, may snow pa rin, oh. Kala ko tapos na. I thought it's done. Sa March, April, wala na yan. Si Hannah, her favorite is beach, be. Favorite niya talaga ang beach. Ako, ang favorite ko, March, April, ganyan. Basta, spring, summer, at saka autumn. Yun yung favorite ko. So, winter, hindi. Pero nagsasaya lang ako pag winter kasi alam mo namang mga problema na lang tayo. Diba? Pag winter, I love it when it's video or picture time. Tapos kapag snowflakes, gano'n. But, I don't like the feeling na basta nilalamig ka. Kaya, taong bahay ako, be. Sa bahay lang ako. Ayan, kunyari daw may quick sun siya. Alam mo, maganda yan kung red yan. Or green, no? Nature color. O kaya red. O kaya gold. Gold ba yan? Or parang orange eh. Ah, beach. Diba sana ano siya, gray? Kung gusto ni Hannah na beach kunyari. Ah, you're playing beach play. Ano ang tawag nila doon? Meron silang ganun eh. Pretend play. Ayun. Pretend play. Naman, ang hirap mag-English eh. English. Alam mo, when you speak English and you're used to the native language where you're born, other country. Tapos you speak English, it's a joke in Philippines, be. It's not just nosebleed, it's also brain bleed. Ako naman yung dagdag ng brain bleed. De joke lang. I'm just joking, beautiful friends. Of course, we have to study the language because it's a universal language. And we have to adjust to any country we are into. But for me personally, that's why it's hard kasi kapag polyglot ka na, yung mga, yung pagka 3 or 2 languages, it's great. There are people that know 7 languages. It's good for them kasi very, helpful and it's great. But to some people, it's not kasi it's especially when you're busy in life. Like example me, I cannot study 10 and 7. Maybe when you're younger and you were taught, it's fine. But ano ba alam ko? Ilongga, Tagalog, tsaka English. Konting Korean, konti lang. Very basic. Yun lang. Pero konti lang, hindi talaga. Ang pinakaano ko talaga, Tagalog, Ilongga, tsaka English. I cannot do, 7 or 10. I will explode. Hindi, joke lang. Hannah is busy. Okay, she will just play. I'll go downstairs to prepare cereal. Kung gusto nila na cereal. Okay, we love you. Have a great day. I wanna clean, be. Bibilisan ko. Mga 1 hour lang. Kailangan tapos ko na yung mga tasks ko. Or 30 minutes. Let's do this. I'm going to fix in 30 minutes some parts of the house. So we love you. Have a great day. We love you. Take care. Let's stay strong.
If I took a bath, then you would get me 3, and you let me have 3 items from Syria.
Can you please repeat it? 1, 2, 3, go. That's funny. It's fine.
Remember when you told me if I took a bath, then you would get me 3 items from Syria.
You like? Okay.
And I took.
Can you please just get 2? But you get to choose all your snacks for school. Ate is tired, so she's taking a rest here, and she'll just wait, and Hannah will go with
I'm wearing a
me.
jacket, but I'm
I
wearing.
love you. It's now February
I don't have a jacket.
9. I'll show you outside. This is inside the base, be. It's usually basta yun na yan. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Yan. Ganda ng view, oh. May snow again. There's snow again. February 9.
Beautiful from the garage today.
Wow, Hannah! You're so cute. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Where are you going to go if you know how to drive?
To the candy shop. Or to Build-A-Bear.
Candy shop, ang kulit. Ako lang ang papasok. Ay, sama ka, Hannah. You're going with me? Ayaw nila, be. Ako na lang mag-grocery dito. Hindi na ako masyado mag-video, mamaya na lang. Pag natapos na. Ayan. Hi, Hannah. She's cozy. Sumama siya sa akin, be. She's so sweet. Mag-pork barbecue tayo, be. Tsaka marami akong, yung free ko na vegetable. So, may meat tayo ngayon. Na gusto ng papa nila yung ano. Ito, be. Ay, siomai. Okay. Tulog pa rin si Hannah. She's still sleeping. Ang sarap niya, be. Super. Tikman natin to, be. Let's try that. Hadassah said, is it yum? Is it yum? Let's try this, be.
Cheers.
Okay, let's try this one. Oo, ang sarap ng muffin nga. Let's try this, be. Let's try. Sarap talaga nito, be. She's looking, I promised to her 2 items. Since it's mura, be. Daming tao dito ngayon. Kasi Sunday. Sunday today, be. February 9. Nakakatawa yung phone ko, foggy. Okay, ito na lang yung iaano ko kasi kanina kinuhaan ko siya. Nag-promise tayo kay Hannah, be. The other shot was foggy, so I repeat it again. Kasi 2 items since it's just affordable. And it's Sunday today, February 9. Are you a doctor? You're so funny. What's this? Oh, for baking. And this one is for blood pressure. I need that, Hannah. You're funny. Okay. Mura lang siya, no? Oh, diba? Shopping si Hannah. Naka-promise tayo, be. Hi, Hannah! Grabe, ang snow, be. Oh. Super. Hannah! Grabe. No, just joking. Hannah.
Make the service today. So I can see them in Sunday school. Here's your charger ribs.
Okay, you're so funny. Ito na, be, yung pinamili natin. I just didn't get, Nutella. Okay lang. Wala pa lang. Ay, hindi, may peanut butter pa pala. Ito yung these are the Japanese, grocery. Meron tayong shrimp. Ang ganda ng nila. Meat. Alam mo, ang mura lang ng grocery. Ano nga yun? Yung pinabili sa akin kanina. Ito, shrimp. We have shrimp. Marami tayong meat ngayon, be. But this will not be, it lasts for 2 weeks siguro to. Yan. It's affordable. Usually, this is 600. That's why I just got it. Okay? Ayan, yung Japanese products grocery natin, be. They have snacks on it too. And these are the freebie. Di ba nakakatuwa? Libre lang ito. Dahil sa pagbubuntis ko sa baby. Ito, yung cherry, kinuha ko na yan. Kasi every month, once a month lang. It's just once a month. But ano lang, $120. O pwede na, di ba? Libre, gamitin mo na. Kasi, but this one is not. Hindi siya libre, ba? It's not, I bought this. Nag-over lang ako dito nag-over lang ako dyan. Next time, hindi na. Because I'm craving for this. This is not, I bought this. Etong, magtatacos tayo. Nachos tayo. Tacos pala. And then, this beef. Kasi kulang yung beef pala na binili ko dun sa grocery store na Japanese. But this one is not. Tsaka ito rin. Hindi. Naubusan na ako nito, be. So, I just got it too. So, para sa baby. Kasi it's healthy. I got this one unsalted kasi I'm going to make yung tikoy. Yung tikoy, lalagyan mo peanut butter sa loob or kung anong gusto mo filling. Pwede rin na ube na... Tapos i-roll mo siya dito. Pagka-roll mo ng tikoy, you roll it in a... Anong tawag doon, be? Yung smashed like that. So, yun. So, dito tayo mag-enjoy sa free natin. Pakita ko sa inyo yung nakuha na rin libre. Dahil sa pagbubuntis, sa pregnancy. Ayan. Kasi, pag hindi ka nag-work, ito siya, be. Yung, bell pepper, mixed vegetables, healthy. Maglalast yan sa fridge, diba? Actually, ito pwede mo na ilagay sa freezer, pero gagamitin to kasi magsasalad tayo ng lettuce at healthy. Ito rin. Katuwa. Kasi once a month lang. Sana 2 times a month. O kaya 3 times a month. Joke. Once a month lang. Eggplant. Spinach. Up to next week, maglalast pa yan. Tapos meron tayong broccoli. Yung strawberry. Ito. And then, another eggplant sa dalawa. Magtutorta ako. Tapos, ito sa primavera. Kasi gusto ng papa nila yung vegetable na pasa pang lunch niya. 5 days, parang ganun. Ito yung blueberry. We're going to make muffin. So, this is green beans. Healthy. Vegetable. Lahat vegetables. Vegetables and fruits yun eh. Ito, zucchini to, be. This one, kinda tastes like upo, be. But, yeah. Yung, hindi naman sayote, parang upo to. Yan. Tastes like upo. And there's upo in Philippines, beautiful friends. Do you have this vegetable in your country? They call it zucchini here. Tapos, sili. Apples, apat. Tapos, 2 yellow apples. And potato. Wow, diba? Libre. Nakakatuwa. Diba, be? O sayote. Pag magtitinola tayo. But I have to use this fast kasi the last time it became bitter. So, I wasn't able to use the other one. You have to use this. Nakakatuwa, diba? Kasi once a month lang siya. Yan. Sana 3 beses sa isang buwan. But, yeah. Pag nag-shopping ako na ginagamit ko yon yung pang pregnancy ko, tumantuwa ako. Ewan ko ba? Yung parang, pili ka lang, pili. Pero kung kumuha ko kanina ng milk fish natin, yung bangus, masasali siya dyan. Hindi siya kasali sa fruits and veggies. Ito lang ang Ang sarap maging pregnant. Sana nagamit ko siya kay Hadasa Tana, hindi ko alam. Well, actually, sinabihan ako ng pinsan ko. Hindi ako nag-apply. Sabi, makakapasa raw ako. Pag wala kang work, pwede kang makapasa. Pregnant ka, ganito, ganyan. Hanggang 5 years old yung bata. Imaginein mo, 2 sila. Tana, 10 years na. Hindi, 8 years. Kasi si Hadasa, 8 years old eh. Hanggang 5 years old ang bata eh. Pero pag pregnant, may kasamang ganito vegetables. Pero pagka tapos ka ng mga anak, hindi ko alam kung may ganito pa, be. Pero masaya pa rin siya, diba? Okay na yun. Sa 3rd lang. Sa 1st, 2nd, hindi. Kasi sinabi ko na yun, hindi raw kami makakapasa. Kasi, syempre, yung sahod ng asawa mo, ganun. Hindi. Pero nagpunta ka sa office, pagka pinagpapanapasa ka nila, ka, lalo pag tinanong ka, pag may work o hindi, yung asawa mo meron siya, pero ikaw, kapag wala, yun, makakapasa ka. Depende sa kanila. Dito, mas dito makakapasa daw. Kasi nasa Japan kayo. Pero under ng US. O, diba, ang saya, be? Ayan yung mga libre natin this month. Last month, diba, nag-vegetable din tayo. Sa March ulit. After ko pating mga anak. Ayan. Pero ito, yan yung sa Japanese grocery store. Kaya hindi ako bumili ng vegetable dyan. Puro snack ng kids. Ayan. Okay, enjoy tayo. Have a great day. We love you. Ayan, blessings ni God. Thank you, God. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Oh my gosh, babe, look at this cute apple. Pink lady apple ang tawag nila. They call this pink lady apple. Cute, no? Isa kami nila hadasahan at saka nung papa nila. Tingnan natin. Ito yung medyo mahal, kaya nag-over ako. Hayaan mo na. Ayan. Magma-muffins tayo, kaya nandito siya. Yan, enjoy muna. Ang saya ng free. Ang saya pumili-pili, be. Nakakatuwa yung free. Imagine if I have this planted, and then my plants are so, healthy. Kaya gusto ko mag-planting eh. I want to plant talong, bell pepper, green beans, tomato, potato. Sana all. I hope I'll have green thumb, spinach. Grabe na talagang pagkatipid nito. Nag-farming na ako na ito sa US. I hope I'll be good in planting. Because, when you don't have diba? When you're happy. If I have part-time job, 4 to 6 hours, and then I have a, what do you call it? Yung greenhouse. And then I have a small little garden to plant my vegetables. I'm going to learn how to make compost. Yung to make the vegetable. Malay nyo, mag the end of the world na be. O, diba? Yung the end of the world, we have to, diba, strive. Kailangan nating marunong tayong magtanim. Kaya dapat bawat isa may garden. Pag wala kang space, be, sa batya natin or sa balde, if there's no space in cities, some of my friends, I know it. Yung isa kong friend, tawan-tawa siya nung COVID time. Sabi ko sa kanya, magtanim ka na kasi ng ng vegetable, ng sweet potato. Kasi the sweet potato in the Philippines, we eat it, the leaf. Sabi niya, grabe ka na talaga. Sabi ko sa kanya, well, it's not, hindi lang practical. I love it. I love planting, but I hope I have a green thumb. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, if only I'm good at it, I will really, basta masaya siya. I just love like picking, diba? Tapos ito din. Tawan-tawa siya sa akin. Tapos I told her, kasi him pala. Ano yun be? Sabi ko sa kanya, magtanim siya malunggay. 3 or 4. Kung nasa Pinas ako, may 3 or 4 malunggay ako, be. Tawa siya ng tawa sa akin. Nahihiya kasi siya. May mga taong nahihiyang magtanim. There are people that are shy to plant. But me, I'm not shy. No, I'm not shy. So, it's okay with me. Because I love planting. And why will you be shy if it's for your family too, diba? Kung lalo sa Pilipinas. But I really love the girl na meron dyan, na ipinost ko. Si Lola, ang galing niya magtanim. Compost niya. Tapos her vegetables are really, healthy. So, I just like it as a hobby. Tapos, after your hobby, diba, you will just harvest. So, it's fun. I really love, yung apple tree. Kasi, once the apple tree is, planted, you can just, pick. Tapos, ito rin, blueberries, strawberries, tsaka other berries. Ano to, be? Cherry tree. Pwede, sa New England yun, be, sa US. Kaya, hopefully, we can do that. Tawa ko dun sa kaibigan ko, eh. Okay, be. Let's just arrange this. I'm going to wash this and give Hadassah and Hannah sa papa nila. Kasi favorite nila to, be, strawberry tsaka cherries. Let's wash it. Ayan, be. I'll separate this because I'm going to make strawberry and blueberry muffins. So, these are the ones that I'm going to use. And then, we'll give this to them. Hi! It's so cold! Where's your sister? Hi, Shaylee. Where's Hannah? She's inside. Okay. Hi, Hannah! Can I see?
We love you, take care. It doesn't work.
Have a great day, everyone. We love you. Take care. Have a great week.
I need to this.
Let's trying it. Let's enjoy.
Don't eat the seed.
And it's good when you have your own tree, right? Of cherries and then apples. You'll just pick it. It's free for the whole year. It's fine, be. Eat. Enjoy lunch. Can I see your lunch, Hannah? Enjoy. Move natin.
I guess I'll just put this.
Ano to be? Hot sauce. I'll just remove the other one. Mm. Wait. Okay. Parang nachos to be. It's like nachos, but yeah, there's the same yummy. Hala, ang sarap ng quick lunch, be. With hot sauce. Let's try. Okay. Mm. Ang gosh. Mm-hmm.
Ready.
Mm. So good.
Daddy, I'm full already.
Ayan, soft taco. Let's try this, be. I'll put hot sauce pala. Just a little bit. Kasi if it's too much, it's too spicy. Spicy. Let's try. Mm. Mm. Ano ba? Mm. Sarap ba? Oh, it's made be. It's the beef, the tomato, onion, and lettuce, the cheese, and sour cream.
Mommy,
Let's try. Try it. It's a Philippine mango. Sige, come on, try it if it's good. Mmm, yummy. Philippine mango.
Tastes weird when I'm chewing food.
Let's eat.
I'm ready.
Take care, everyone. We love you.
3, 12.